Hello children and welcome to your English class today. Today, as you can see on your screens, we are going to discuss about possessive nouns. First of all, let us see what are possessive nouns. A possessive noun is a noun that possesses something, that is, it has something. Or we can say a possessive noun is a noun that shows ownership. In very simple terms, right now you are having your class on your mobile or laptop screens, and so that mobile or laptop belongs to you. You are the owner. Some more examples here. Apple's taste, books cover, boss's car, computers keyboard, Diana's book, house's roof. Here we have shown you the examples of possessive nouns. The taste of the apple, we can say apple's taste. The cover of the book, book's cover. Car of boss, boss's car. Keyboard of the computer, computer's keyboard. Book that belongs to Diana, or we can say Diana's book. Roof of the house or house's roof. Now you must have got an idea how we form possessive nouns. Yes, by making use of an apostrophe as well as an S. Now let us see in detail. A possessive noun is formed by adding an apostrophe plus S to the noun. The man's pant. Here this pant belongs to the man, and in order to show that we have used an apostrophe and S. However, we form possessive differently in different cases. If the noun is singular, we use a different pattern of forming possessives. If the noun is plural, we use a different pattern. Now let us see all these different cases one by one. For singular and plural nouns that do not end in S, we add apostrophe and S. The example here is the girl's gift. Here the girl is a singular noun and it does not end in S. In order to show possession, we have used apostrophe and S. For plural nouns that already end in S, only an apostrophe needs to be added. Again, the same example is repeated. The girls' dresses. Here, the girls are many girls, and therefore S is already added. We use only apostrophe to make it a possessive noun. For a noun that ends in the letter S or an S sound, we add apostrophe and S. Now see children, Mr. Das's car. Das is his name, having an S in the end. But in this case, we will use apostrophe and S, both things. Here in the next slide, we continue with the different cases. For plural nouns that don't end with S, we add both apostrophe and S. We know there are several plural nouns like child becomes children, man becomes men, woman becomes women. So here women's bags, that is, there are more than one woman. It's a plural here, but it does not have an S in it. In order to make it a possessive noun, we will use apostrophe along with S. For hyphenated nouns and compound words, we add an apostrophe and S at the end of the compound word and to the last word in a hyphenated noun. This needs to be remembered. Father-in-law. This is a hyphenated noun, or we can say a compound word. That is, it has more than one word to complete it. In such a case, we will use in the end of the word father-in-law's health. Commander-in-chief's orders. When something belongs commonly to two or more people, we mention the names of all the people and we add an apostrophe only to the last noun. In this case, Rajiv and Rahul's house. So here two people's names are mentioned, Rajiv and Rahul. And it is a house what we are talking of. So the house obviously belongs to both of them, and to show possession we will add an apostrophe and s to the name of the last person. When something belongs differently to different people, we add an apostrophe to all the nouns. Usha's, Abhishek's and Danny's books. These are names of these three children. The books separately belong to these children, and so we have added an apostrophe and s to all their names. That means we are talking about different books for all these three different children. Now here we can see some more examples of possessive nouns. Singular nouns: dog's house, books, birds, girls, dolls, birds, chicks, cars, engine, sister's room, Jim's pen, my mom's bag. Here the common thing is, if it's a common noun, we add s and apostrophe. For plural nouns, if the noun ends in s, we add only apostrophe. Boys, ball, tables, legs, girls, hands. If the noun doesn't end in s, we add apostrophe as well as an s. Women's bags, children's dolls, men's shoes. So I hope children you have understood the lesson. Please go through the PowerPoint presentation and the book text to understand more. Happy learning children. Bye for now.